Okay, so just going to run through the examples. So this is the first example, 10.6. So I have a triangle. So here I'm actually working backwards. I'm going to be given my final area, and I'm going to ask to find like certain things like the height, length, width, and so on. Okay, so I'm told here the area of this triangle is 20 centimeters to be squared. Find the perpendicular height of the triangle. So I know first of all my area is equal to half the base by the perpendicular height. I'm looking for my perpendicular height. Okay. So then I know my area is equal to 20. So I go 20 is equal to half. My base in this question is 10, and my multiplied by my perpendicular height I don't know. Okay, so I have 20 is equal to half of 10 is 5. 5 times h is 5h. So I have then 5h is equal to 20. And then I have h is equal to 20 divided by 5. So my perpendicular height is 4. The next example that I'm dealing with is the area of a circle is 153.86 centimeters squared. Calculate the circle. So I'm looking for my r, and I'm told to take pi is equal to 3.14. So I have then write down my formula. Area is equal to pi r squared. So I have my area, which I was given 153.86, is equal to my pi, which is 3.14, my r to be squared. Right, these two are being multiplied by each other, so I'm able to say that r squared is equal to 153.86 divided by 3.14. Okay, so I put that into my calculator and I get r squared is equal to, these two divided by each other is 49. I want to get r on its own, so the reverse operation of squaring a number is getting the square root. So I'll say r is equal to square root 49, and I get then r is equal to 7 centimeters. Next one I have here is the circumference of a circle is 22 pi millimeters. Find the length of the radius of the circle. So my circumference, the formula for that is 2 pi r. So I'm told that 2 pi r is equal to 22 pi, because circumference is another word for perimeter. So I then divide across by pi, and I'll be left with 2r is equal to 22. And then I want to get r on its own, so I'll say r is equal to 22 divided by 2. My radius in this question is 11. And then the last example, which I'm going to go through, it says the area of a rectangular lawn is 50 meters squared. The length of the lawn is twice its width. Find the perimeter of the lawn. Okay, so what I did here is I said my width is just going to call it x. I don't know what it is, but I'm told my length is twice my width. So twice my width will give my length to be 2x. Okay, so I know already that my area is equal to 50 meters to be squared. So my area is equal to length by width. So area is equal to 50 meters to be squared. So by filling in using x and 2x, I go my length, which is 2x, times my width, which is x, is equal to 50. Then I say that 2x to be squared is equal to 50, because 2x times x gives me 2x squared. I divide across by 2. So I have then x squared is equal to 25, and then I do the reverse operation, so I get x is equal to square root 25, and I get x is equal to 5. Okay, so that there is my width, and then if my length is 2 times my width must, or my length must be 10. Okay, so my width is 5, my length is 10, and then I was asked to find the perimeter of this lawn. Okay, so basically it's going to be, this is 10, 20, and then plus 5 will give me 30 as the perimeter.